Welcome guys to another video. As usual, this is the weekly GBPUSD trade analysis. It's analysis for all the trades we took during the week. I give an extra explanation, but first, look at this guys. We're 251 members in just a few weeks since the Telegram group was open, guys. We're growing every day, and most of the trades we take are posted. Then we have guys reacting to different situations around the financial markets. I won't say forex market, but crypto, so much in there. So we post for transparency, we post everything. Post the setup, many people post what they think. It's a group of traders, guys. We're trying to get from this forex market. So we try to help each other grow. So post transparency, trade is this. Look, if a pullback case, we post it. So to join the Telegram group, just check the link, look for the link in the description. So let's go. So last week was a bearish week, but we had a buy in there. We had no loss, but we saw the markets playing around with so many manipulations. So I'll be explaining that in a few. So let's just look at the overall. So right now, the market is still bullish on the daily. It's at an equal higher high, but which hasn't yet been broken. So there is another secret we put in there. We use a strategy called order blocks with signals. Of course, we know some basics of SMC, but instead of drawing out these order blocks and all that stuff, we use the powerful indicator called order blocks with signals. This one, just can look for it in this panel on TradingView. Is it a panel? Yeah, this panel in TradingView. So let's go in. So this is a 4-hour time frame. What did we rely on to know it was a bearish week? Now we have a strategy that helps us identify the trend of the week. So we had a bearish week or a shorting week, and these are the trades we took. These are the trend lines on the 4-hour. This one hasn't been reached yet, but these two were reached, and one of these was drawn later on. Though this one is what we started with that week. So let's see the action on the 1-hour. So the week begins on Monday, shows us that it's bearish. Of course, there is an order block down here. There's an order block exactly around somewhere here. It's okay, it was around here before the market made all this move. It was around somewhere. I think this was it this? Yeah, I think so. So let me explain to you. Market was dropping. Monday we didn't trade. We're out of the market because we want the market to decide its movement on Monday. So this is the first order block. These are the order blocks I pulled off using our indicator, of course. So when the market reached here and broke this trend line, pulled back. This happened on Tuesday. It pulled back to this order block. I hate saying order block, but yeah, it's one of the confluences we use for trading. Give us, this is like the 61.8 retracement level on the fib. Guys, if you haven't watched the fib video, it's out now. Check one of the videos. I won't say it's in the description, but one of the videos around the channel is free. So once it came and touched here, 61.8 order block, that's the second confluence. Then we have a break and retest, then a high on lows of the week. Since it's a bearish week, we sold this market and it gave us 114 pips. Sold it up to this order block as a take profit. Though this was our first take profit, this was our second. So we got 114 off of that trade. It was a really nice trade. So what happened? We drew a trend line. This is the second trend line we saw after this when it came up to here. So this was a break and retest of an order block, guys. And psychological level then is like a support turn resistance. Then it came back and this touch, remember, it's an order block, there's a trend line, it's like a W pattern, psychological level, guys. We bought when we saw this weak rejection. Now, guys, the market was weird. So let's go down and break down how that trade happened. This is the 15-minute time from where we do entries from. So guys, see, immediately I saw that weak rejection. I knew this is going to be a buy. Not I know. Of course, I trade what I see, not what I think. So when I saw weak rejection, close above the trend line and close above the order block. Then I saw the second week rejection. I did enter from it. It's just one of the tools I use to help me show if I'm in profit on those. It's just design. This is the action, right? So when it gave us this, let me delete this. I'm gonna put it back in a few. So when I saw this week rejection coming back to our box, that was our buy. So we bought this pair. Gave us something like 98 pips. Wow. So take profit was hit. I wasn't even on the chart. I just saw a notification from, I use Exines as my broker. Sometimes I use Paperstone. I have different accounts. So once I saw the notification, I take profit has been hit. I was like, that's it. So Wednesday came in, Asian session, market is consolidating. But look, there's a trend line, and our order block hasn't been broken. So we are seeing a pattern hold the head and shoulders. So we sold this pair. Wow. The market flashed us out. We made our loss, but this was like an extension. We're like, this is an extension. It doesn't close. It closed below the close of the order block, closed below the trend line. We say it's stacking. We made all these profits. The GU kept bouncing around. It came back and hit our order block as a take profit. I don't know why I'm using order block a lot today. I actually don't like SMC, but I like the traders who trade with it because there are many ways to make money in this market. But that's it. Market is our take profit. So look, kept watching this market. So today, this was Thursday. So today, Friday, market, we got the market late, Asian session, but the analysis was still the same. This was another touch of the trend line, like this. Fourth, this. And there's a huge M pattern on the 1 hour time frame. Let me show it to you guys. This M pattern, this first. Then two, there's another small M pattern in there. I'm going to see it in the 15-minute. Like this is a sell. This is a sell. Don't mind about news. News follows technical analysis. I see in this M pattern, the small one. So that's the reason why we sold from around this level. Boom. Market consolidated the whole day, but our stop loss is 20 pips above, so we're not affected. So when people are confusing CPI confusing CPI and CPPI, those are two different news events. I don't know why people are calling it a CPI. That's why you didn't see a lot of action in it today. It just moved 15 pips. So the market came and it had take profit at this psychological level and ride it back. So today is a Friday. I won't be taking any other trade until Tuesday. So we shall use Friday to determine our bias for the week. Thank you guys for watching this video. Remember, the flip video is out on our YouTube channel. You guys, I described Fibonacci from its history, from how it got its name. Go watch that video. Remember to join our Telegram group. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Have a nice day.